大家好，我係阿木，歡迎返到嚟無端端廣東話。今日我哋會繼續講分享4，你係唔係我哋嘅老師啊？今日係第2部分，我哋會講對話 conversation。講對話之前，我哋會做少少溫習。今日我哋會做啲選擇題。選擇 it means to choose。題 come from a word 題目。題目 means questions。 So it means MCQ multiple choice questions。 好，第一題 Doctor 嘅廣東話係咩啊？嘅 apostrophe s right？ 廣東話 Cantonese 係咩啊？係 is to be right? So it is. 咩 the question word what are sentence final particles. So what is the Cantonese of doctors? 跟我讀一次。 A 護士， B 學生， C 老師， D 醫生。 Doctor 嘅廣東話係咩啊？係 D。 Very good。 A 護士，護士係 nurse。 B 學生，學生係 student。 C 老師，老師係 teacher。 OK。 第2題 Civil servant 嘅廣東話係咩啊？跟我讀一次。 A 行政主任， B 公務員， C 記者， D 律師。 Civil servant 嘅廣東話係咩啊？係 B 公務員。 A 行政主任，行政主任係咩啊？係 executive officer。 C 記者，記者係 journalist。 D 律師，律師係 lawyer。 OK。 第3題 Cook or chef 嘅廣東話係咩啊？ A 警察， B 侍應， C 廚師， D 消防員。 Cook or chef 嘅廣東話係咩呢？係 C 廚師。咁 A 警察係咩啊？警察係 police officer。 B 侍應，侍應係 waiter or waitress。 D 消防員，消防員係 firefighter。 OK， 得唔得？跟住我哋會做5題配對。跟我讀一次。第一題職業工作。第2題打工仔。第3題第4題老闆。第5題做。 OK, let's try。 我哋試下。第一題職業 或者工作，佢哋嘅意思係 D. occupations or job。 第二題，打工仔。打工 means to work for others, and then 仔 is a suffix, usually used when there is a hierarchy level, and then you are supervised by others. So it is a wage earner. 第三題，it means not, right? It is a negation. 第四題，老闆。老闆 it means an owner of a company or a boss. 第五題，做。The literal meanings, it means to do some things, right? But when you talk about the occupations, talk about jobs, it means to work in a particular profession. So it is C. 今日我哋會講對話，好似之前咁，我哋唔使理呢啲 highlight 咗嘅字。Just like the part 3 sharing, in this part, we can ignore the highlighted part. 聽我讀一次。Listen to my readings. 你好，我係朴寶書，你叫咩名啊？你好啊，我叫陳珍妮，我喺英國嚟㗎。係呢？你係唔係我哋嘅老師啊？唔係啊，我係你嘅同學，我哋一齊學廣東話㗎。唔好意思，搞錯咗添。寶書啊，你做咩工㗎？我係一個廚師，你呢？你做咩㗎？我係醫生。I know in this sharing, the conversation is a little bit long, right? 我知道呢一個對話係比較長嘅。But no worry, we will read it again and again, and also I will analyze the sentence one by one to you. 但係唔使擔心，我哋會一齊讀幾次，同埋我會分析每一句俾你哋聽。跟我讀一次 ，repeat after me。你好，我係朴寶書，你叫咩名啊？你好啊，我叫陳珍妮，我喺英國嚟㗎。係呢？你係唔係我哋嘅老師啊？唔係啊，我係你嘅同學，我哋一齊學廣東話㗎。唔好意思，搞錯咗添。寶書啊，你做咩工㗎？我係一個廚師，你呢？你做咩㗎？我係醫生。In this conversation, you may know 80% of the content, right? So there are some words or phrases you may not know the meanings. So let's see. The first one, 一齊, it means together. It is an adverb. And the next one, 唔好意思. Sometimes people may say 唔好意思. It means sorry. Usually 唔好意思 is for minor mistakes. If you make a major mistake or a large mistake, then we will say 對唔住。Okay? And the next one, 搞錯, it is a verb to make a mistake. And then 咗is a suffix which is a perfective aspect marker for the completed actions or the past event used after the verb. When people look into an event or an action, they may have their own aspect on this event. Some people may emphasize on the completion of an action or it is a past event. At that time, we will use the perfective aspect marker, 咗. So you may simply remember 搞錯咗 is like made a mistake. And then the next one, Tim is a sentence final particle for indicating the speaker has just realized his or her minor mistakes. When it translates to English, it will be like, Oops, I make a mistake. 好，我哋一齊分析句子。分析 it means to analyze. 句子 it is sentence. Okay? So 你好 means hi or hello, right? 我係朴寶書 I am 朴寶書。你叫咩名啊 What is your name, right? 你好啊 你好啊 This is a sentence final particle, right? To soften the tone. So it means hello. 我叫陳珍妮 My name is 陳珍妮。係 and 叫 is used to introduce the names, right? 我喺英國嚟㗎 What does it mean? Do you still remember this pattern? 喺 a place 嚟 It means I come from that place, right? 我喺英國嚟㗎 It means I come from the UK. And then the sentence final particle 㗎 here, it means a factual event or it is a past event. And then 係呢 here, it do not have a concrete meaning, but it used to switch topics. 你係唔係我哋嘅老師啊 So here we have an A-main structure to ask a yes-no question, right? 你 you 係唔係 Is it true that 我哋 we or us 我哋嘅 means our 老師係 teacher. And then for A-main structure yes-no question, we usually will use are as a sentence final particles. And then 寶書 said, 唔係啊 It means, oh no, I'm not. 我係你嘅同學 I am your, what is 同學 Classmates, right? 我哋一齊學廣東話㗎 So 我哋 is we, right? 一齊仲記唔記得點解 It means together. 學 to learn. 廣東話 Cantonese. 加 sentence final particle. Factual events, right? Or habitual events here. In Cantonese, we usually will put the adverb before the verb. So we will say 一齊學. However, there are some exceptional cases that we will put adverb after verb. So later, when we encounter this special kinds of adverb, I will tell you. 唔好意思 it means sorry. 搞錯咗添 You may remember 搞錯咗添 as a whole expression, which means, oops, I have made a mistake. 寶書啊 It means you are going to draw his attention. Oh, 寶書你做咩工㗎你 is you, right? 做 here, it means to work in a particular profession. It is used when talking about your occupations. 咩 is what, right? 工 is from the word 工作 means jobs or occupation. 加 is used to ask the factual events, right? So it means what job are you working for? What is your job? Actually, it means what is your job? And then 寶書 said, 我係一個廚師。一個 it means one, okay, one. Or you can also say 一 is one. 個 is a measure word for humans. Here, because 廚師 or 寶書 is a humans, right? So we will say 一個。廚師 is cook or chef. It means I am a chef or I'm a cook. And then 寶書 said, 你呢？你做咩㗎？ In fact, if 寶書 just ask 你呢, it also means he is asking the questions, what do you do for your livings? But here, he make it more clear. He repeat the questions. 你做咩㗎? Okay, 你做咩㗎? Because in this content, we have already known they are discussing about the occupation or jobs. So here, we drop the word 工作. We just simply ask 你做咩㗎? Okay, 你做咩㗎? And then 珍妮 replied, 我係醫生. I am a doctor. You may have a question. Why in this sentence I have 一個, but in next sentence I don't have 一個 here? Why? In fact, this 一個 is optional. But more accurately, this 一個 is not required in this kind of sentence in Cantonese. But why it happened? I think this is affected by the language contact between Cantonese and English in Hong Kong. So that's why we just like adding an article here in this sentence. However, if you just say 我係醫生, it is totally fine. And we tend to simply say 我係醫生. Okay? So if you would make this sentence more accurately, we will say 我係廚師. 我係廚師. Okay, you no need to add 一個 here. But in this conversation, I include both kind of sentence because in Hong Kong, some of Hong Kongers, and in some occasions, we will also say 我係一個醫生. Okay? 得唔得? Let's learn something more. 知多啲. When we ask for someone's jobs or applications, we have different ways to ask the same kind of questions. What is your job? Or what do you do for your living? The first one is what we see here is 你做咩工㗎? Or 你做咩工作㗎? Or if this is in this context that we know we are talking about jobs, you can also say 你做咩㗎? Also fine. Or you can also say 你嘅職業係咩啊? Okay, 職業 is occupation, right? 係 is what to be. 咩 is what. So what is your occupations? Or you can also say 你返咩㗎? Here, the 返 it means 返工. 返工 it means to go to work. So it also means what is your job? Or you can also say 你做邊行㗎? 做 is to work in a particular profession, right? 邊 is which, right? And this 行, it means 行業, industry. So it means which industry are you working for? And then sometimes we don't use 邊, but we use 成. 你做盛行㗎? 盛 it means 興盛. 興盛 it means prosperous. It is an honorific way to asking about what is your job. 你做盛行㗎? It means which prosperous industry are you working for? But in fact, in Hong Kong, Hong Kongers rarely ask for others' occupations because Hong Kongers think that the occupation or the jobs is their private information. And we are not going to judge our people by their occupations or industry. We make friends with others because of their characteristics, their values, instead of their occupations, right? So it is not important for asking people's occupations. But sometimes if you are parents and you are going to the school interview with your children, the teachers or the principal may ask you this kinds of question. So I also include here. 跟我讀一次，你做咩工作㗎？你嘅職業係咩啊？你返咩㗎？返工。你做邊行㗎？行業。你做盛行㗎？興盛。得唔得？我哋一齊讀一次。你好，我係朴寶書，你叫咩名啊？你好啊，我叫陳珍妮，我喺英國嚟㗎。係呢？你係唔係我哋嘅老師啊？唔係啊，我係你嘅同學，我哋一齊學廣東話㗎。唔好意思，搞錯咗添。寶書啊，你做咩工㗎？我係一個廚師，你呢？你做咩㗎？我係醫生。Okay? So, let's do the role plays. I act as 朴寶書, you act as 陳珍妮. So, I go first. 你好，我係朴寶書，你叫咩名啊？唔係啊，我係你嘅同學，我哋一齊學廣東話㗎。我係一個廚師，你呢？你做咩㗎？ Okay? So let's switch the roles. You act as 朴寶書，I act as 陳珍妮。You go first. 你好啊，我叫陳珍妮，我喺英國嚟㗎。係呢？你係唔係我哋嘅老師啊？唔好意思，搞錯咗添。寶書啊，你做咩工㗎？我係醫生。OK？ 今日講完啦，下次見，記得 like、comment、share啊，拜拜。